Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is going to be a little bit quick because I just got in from vacation, which was very much needed, but I have a few packages that came in while I was gone. So, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you know when I upload. And I do have a playlist for you to look through to see what other things we share in common. So this first one is from Skinpotion. I was finally able to hit on one of his new scents. And this is just an unboxing. I'm not getting into all of it because it is, what time is it? It's 11:32. And I had like a 5-hour flight from the East Coast, and I'm very much so tired, but I want to smell my stuff. I'm hoping I like this, and it's not like the yummy, but I got the creme de la vanilla from Skinpotion. Let's see. Oh, this smells good. This is how it looks. Oh yeah. We're gonna be wearing this. I will be ordering another one of these. And I want to say his stuff is really good. It's like perfume in a body product. I had on Kama Sutra yesterday. What was I at? My husband had a coaches convention to go to in Syracuse. And I had on Kama Sutra yesterday. My husband, when we was checking out, he was still at, the speaking engagement, and I met him in that area. So as soon as I went up the escalator, I sat down on the side and waited for him because, he was talking, the meeting, was still going, and he got talking afterwards. And when he came up to me, he came from down a hallway. He said, I smelled you all the way down the hallway. And mind you, I just put the Kama Sutra on my arms. I didn't put it all over. Then when we went to get something to eat at the food, they had like this cafeteria where it had different restaurants there. I was walking past this guy, and he was like, you smell so good. He was like, what you got on? And I said, Skinpotion, Kama Sutra. I said, just Google Skinpotion, and that's you have it. That Skinpotion ain't no joke, honey. That stuff will be smelling down the hallway, but I'm glad he focused on the vanilla with this. This smells so good, y'all. Creme de vanilla. You did a good job, Ray. Kudos to you on this one. I love it. The next one we is going to open is Daukins Arome. What did I get from her? She was having a sale, I think. I think it was something like 45% off. Ordered something for my husband. He likes that blue denim, and so I gave him my body lotion, the blue denim lotion, but he didn't have the spray, so I got him the spray. So I give that to him, and then I got she came out with her new fragrance. Y'all, while I'm sitting there shopping on the thing to see if I wanted to get anything, the full-size perfume flew out of my cart, and so I had to stick with the small sample sizes, and this is called Whip Appeal. So I just got 2 of her, what are these? 5 mLs to give me 10 mLs until they put them back in stock. The Whip Appeal is, let me see what the Whip Appeal is, because child, I don't know. I think it's Fleur. I think it's a take on Fleur, but let me and she just dropped her spring summer line as well, and I did get that. So Whip Appeal is a limited edition inspired trio blend of Fleur's heavy cream, caramel skin, and vanilla skin. I hope she put it back out, because if I like it, I do want a bigger bottle. The her point her 50 ml. So that's what is. So yeah, them girls weren't playing. That thing flew right out of my cart, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So I just got 2 of the 5 mLs. This is it. Let me see how this smells. It smells good too. You do get that caramel in this. And I'm not a big caramel fan. But it does smell nice. You get that caramel, that vanilla, and then that sandalwood comes through as well. But it's good. It kind of smells like, I've never smelled Fleur's heavy cream or any of their stuff. It's kind of giving me that yummy, Skinpotion yummy vibe. I don't know, but it smells nice. It does smell nice. So that's all I got from her. And then my husband's John Ray box came in. So what I did was I ordered his stuff for Valentine's Day, and it didn't come in time. So what I did was stuff that was, and I'm probably going to take my stuff back, but I just gave him the stuff that I ordered duplicates of for us, for him and myself. And I gave him mine, and I said, I'll just take this one when it comes in. So I gave him my black apple, and I gave him my, I gave him the black apple. And I'm trying to think, what else did I give him? I gave him the black apple and fairy dust. And my fairy dust was good and marinated too. So I might take that back from him and just give him the fairy dust that I had. But his fairy dust, the fairy dust that I ordered for him was a bigger bottle than mine was. But I just like the fact that mine had already marinated for a while. And now I gotta let the one that I got now marinate. So we'll see. We will see. Just unboxing everything. So how y'all doing? How's y'all Valentine's Day good? I didn't even show what I got him for Valentine's Day. I got him this book. I should have showed it, but I didn't. It was a book. I can't like a storybook that this company was and I got him the black cherry. So this is his that I have to get him. This is Tom Ford's black cherry. So I get that to him. This is gonna probably be, because it's in a small package, that black apple. Yeah. This is the black apple. So this one is mine. Then you got this box. And this is the fairy dust. So I might, because I know he's not going to use it. The fairy dust that I gave him, he gets kind of overwhelmed when he gets a lot of perfumes and stuff and don't know what to grab. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get my fairy dust back from him. And then this is another box. These are his 50 ml boxes. And this is Anxious. So this is mine. I gave him the one that I got, the first box, and then this is, I'm gonna keep this one. This is Joe Malone's Myrrh and Tonka. No. Yeah, Joe Malone's Myrrh and Tonka, I believe. And I had this on. Joe Malone. I'm trying to think. I had this on, what's today? Saturday? Thursday night. And I went to go see my friend who I hadn't seen in a long time. And she was like, you smell so good. I had on the body cream as well. And I sprayed the perfume all over me. And she was like, and y'all see that juice? She was like, you smell so good. But to me, I gave my husband, Duas, Myrrh and Tonka. Y'all, I don't know. At any rate, I gave him the Dua one too, because Duas, and I don't even think I did a review on it, but Duas, this same one, Joe Malone, he put a spicy note, like a more masculine dry down, which is not like that. It's more powdery. And I think, I'm tired. I think it may be Myrrh and Tonka. Joe Malone, Myrrh and Tonka. Yeah, it's Myrrh and Tonka. He put a spicy note onto it, and I didn't like it, whereas the OG Myrrh and Tonka does not have a masculine or spicy note at the end of it, which John Ray, in my opinion, does the best with the Joe Malone Myrrh and Tonka. So if y'all like that, go to Joe Malone, get the body cream, and then when John Ray opens back up, get Anxious, because his comes so close you almost can't even tell the difference. So that's all I got for y'all, I think. Yeah, I showed y'all the black cherry, black apple. So yeah, that's all my unboxings for right now. And then I do have another one coming, I think, on Monday. And we're going to sit down and talk about vaginal care when I get this box in. So until the next video, y'all stay safe. God bless you. Peace.